Hi, it's Lisa Tom for the ChineseSoupLady.com, and today we're making homemade do-it-yourself wontons in chicken soup. In Cantonese, wonton literally means clouds swallow. This word originated from the fact that these little bites of delights are like clouds, and because they are so small, you can swallow them in one gulp. This is a two-part recipe that includes a soup, which is a quick-boiled cheap chicken broth, and the construction of our fine, do-it-yourself chicken and shrimp wontons. For the soup base, you'll need some dried scallops, 1 to 2 star anise, some dried longans, fresh garlic, onion, shallots, and leek. You'll also need a soup bag to keep everything together and remove from the soup. Start by boiling your chicken broth in 1 liter of cold water for 30 minutes on medium heat. Then we'll prepare our custom chicken soup ingredients for the quick boil by chopping all the soup ingredients and putting them directly into the mesh cotton soup bag. So now that we've cut all the ingredients for our soup, come look inside the soup bag. All the additional goodness that we're going to make on top of the chicken broth is contained inside this cotton bag. And what this bag does is you can actually seal it like this and then just drop it directly into the soup and we're good to go. So the soup bag itself, after it's clean and boiled, you can just drop it directly into your soup pot like this. Even before it's boiling, we'll cover and set this for a medium boil for 30 minutes. Part 2 is where we're going to make the insides of the wonton and then wrap them. For the mixture, I used ground chicken, fresh shrimp, fresh chives, green onions, and diced garlic. Top with 1 teaspoon of fish sauce, 1 tablespoon of oyster sauce, 1 tablespoon of soy sauce, 1 teaspoon of white pepper, 1 teaspoon of cooking wine, and sesame oil to taste. Honestly though, flavor with your own chef's taste. Spice it up, add black bean sauce or paprika, get creative. Now, let's get wrapping. For the best wontons, the skin needs to be supple and soft and not hard and dried out. So don't take them out of the packaging too early. What you'll want to do is fill a small portion of meat into the middle of the wonton. Water all the edges because that's what will make it stick together. And then squeeze it. How you squeeze, how you seal, I'll leave that to you. Get creative and try a few different techniques. Today, I wanted to create that little cloud, so I've chosen to squeeze at the top to create a beautiful bundle. And there we have it, our beautiful cloud wontons. Overstuffed wontons are still beautiful. So now that our soup's been boiling for about 30 minutes or so, after we finish making the wontons, we can remove the soup bag and use it to boil our wontons. When the soup's boiling, we now can add in the wonton to cook them. I'll drop in about 10. And the water will stop boiling, so what you want to do is allow them to reboil. And as soon as the water boils again, add in 200 milliliters of water just to reduce the temperature and let it come to another boil. We do this 3 times so that you're controlling the temperature and it's not over boiling and won't break up the wontons. When it's come to a boil again after about 5 minutes, scoop out the wontons into a bowl with some of the soup. Garnish with green onions and sesame oil and serve. And here we have our delicious, warm, homemade do-it-yourself wontons in a cheap chicken broth. Link to the recipe below, Don't forget to subscribe, like, and if you have any suggestions, leave them in the comments below.